Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. I wanted to just inform you guys that I updated my tarot prices, all my services, so that they are more affordable. I had someone help me set my prices before, and then I realized that it might be too high for the time being, and I want to make it more available to all my fans, all my subscribers, and make sure you guys get the help and guidance that you need as well. So some of the prices, for example, and I want to touch on what I offer as a service. General readings are $35. It basically, I do a whole Celtic cross spread. I break down what's most important in your life right now, and I also allow you guys to ask any additional questions. So all these readings are well worth your time, because I make sure you don't leave until you have clarity. So you can also pick from a Soulmate Reading, which is $28. Everyone wants love readings. Those are the most popular right now. Career readings, I do offer that now for $27. Past life readings, I offer that. That's my brand new thing I'm offering for $33 only. Again, I get way in detail like the general readings, but more on your past life, like who you were, what lesson you learned, all kind of stuff. Crossover loved one, I'm offering for $30. Some of you guys already know that I am a medium as well as a psychic medium. I am a psychic medium. And again, all these prices are based on a 10-minute ratio, meaning you pay for that 10 minutes, and honestly you can learn a lot within 10 minutes. But I understand a lot of you guys have extra questions that may go beyond that time period, and you have to understand that tarot readers need a lot of energy. It takes a lot of energy to get this, to channel and get this intuitive messages to you guys. But after that, you would just pay the additional pricing. And so yeah, those are just my updated prices right now. I am mainly accepting Cashapp, but I do have PayPal available. So Cashapp and PayPal. Cashapp is just more convenient, really instantaneous. So if you guys can make it easier on me when you're doing payments, check out Cashapp. Yeah, go ahead and book your readings with me today. If you guys are curious about reviews ever, I do have all my reviews on Instagram. After I do readings, I have people leave me reviews. So if you book a reading with me, I will ask you for a review as well. Snapshot it and share it. Always support. Be dope, be unapologetically. Book a reading today, you guys. Anything you need to know, if you don't see it on the list, I can cater a price based on what you need. I'm here to meet your needs. I also do offer Skype sessions. I think I'm gonna start doing that for maybe $33 for half an hour, and then for a full hour I'll do $60. So yeah, the Skype sessions are mainly if you just want to talk to me about any topic, advice, spirituality, third eye stuff, Kundalini stuff, because my time is pretty valuable, so I have to price it, but I'm trying to give it to you guys for a deal. But yeah, as always, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.